I am Music Phil. My name is a brand, my brand is a name. I have been in this music industry for decades, from record shop to radio disc jockey. Also, I am a writer at Backayard magazine and I'm currently at Roots 96.1 FM. We are at Willis Thatch Roof and this is Yardstyle Live.
Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Let's talk about Miguel Collins, Sizzla Kalonji. Well, there's pictures, videos going around with Sizzla, a bonfire on the plaque and the thing where him and DJ Khaled have, you know, because it's all over the place and I see it and I start to observe it and I pick out, but why, in a way I feel like, say, you know, Sizzla Kalonji, name should a little bit more bigger still, you know, so. Well, I don't know, I see with him still, because if me do all of them works, I might name a little bit, so. But me I wonder still, if him take it too far, you know, stay tuned, you know, hear what I go on. This week's guest on Yardstyle Live is Amilcar Lewis, the CEO of Backayard magazine. If you don't know Backayard magazine, check. Backayard magazine has been around for 15 years. Yeah, one of the sponsors for Yardstyle Live. Them are people like Sizzla, Buju Banton, Capleton, Chronix, Berry Saman, you name it has been on that cover. Elephant Manto. So here we are. Stay tuned. The interview starts now.
Hey, this is Yardstyle Live, brought to you by
Willis Thatch Roof. Kingston, Jamaica. Oasis in the city. Willis Thatch Roof, Kingston, Jamaica.
This week's guest on Yardstyle Live is, why people, I'm a boss, I him put Music Phil name on the map. You understand, when I change the name, I say, yo, I want your Music Phil. And I say, yeah, he said, that name I have a ring to it, you know, you see me? People, him are one of the person who make Music Phil name of this international flavor, not just a Jamaica alone. People, Amilcar Lewis, the CEO for Backayard Magazine, Chief Editing Officer for Backayard Magazine, the man that made Music Phil name stand out. That's what me can say. My name is a brand, my brand is a name. Amilcar Lewis, boss.
Let me correct you. It's a chief editor and a chief editing officer. No man,
no, I was just being political, you know. So Amilcar, how did the Backayard thing get started, you know?
Alright. Well, how it started was that I was working in the States for a little while. And it was, you know, a long time ago, before internet it is now.
Yeah.
And there was no such thing as like magazines for like Jamaican culture. All we had was like party pictures on site. So I figured that
the dial-up days, them, you know? Yeah, them and then they got the phone.
Yeah, them kind of thing. They just could have barely get a little service, nothing could have come through.
Yeah.
So the idea was to say, yo, could I represent Jamaican culture a certain way? And when I came back from where I was at the time.
Which party did they find you?
Nobody want to talk about it. Maybe New Hampshire.
Okay, cool.
Way up so. And we had like me and my cousin had a trip from New Hampshire to Florida. Instead of flying, he say, yo, Amil, can come save some money. And I say, when me save money, I say, yeah man, save some money instead of take the flight, we take the bus. I never know, say 3 days me on the bus.
Babylon by bus. Amil by bus.
So 3 days.
Backayard by bus.
So 3 days me on the bus and it give me a lot of time to think, you know. Because we couldn't bid, so for think.
Yeah.
So it's just I had a thought and say, you know what, enough of the youth them that we go school with, go UTech with and whatever them, not a job and thing like that. So what could I do? Work on everything, come back and work on everything together. And this is something that we can work on and be an international force. Well, you know, when I come back, I never think about the fact that when I come home, it might be a situation where, or it might be a thing where everybody have them life to live. So it's like, them come back, me come back now and ask them a question, yo, you want to do this? And I say, no, I mean, you know, some just breed a girl. Mother needs some food and all them things, need medicine and all them things. Life. Everybody have life circumstances. Yeah. So I talked to one or two people about getting the thing done, and I said, oh, you know what? All right. What I thought would be a group of 10 to 15, it would end up being 2 and 3. So I link enough people, but it ended up being my best friend, become a business partner, Noel Andrew Bennett.
Big up Noel Andrew Bennett.
It was the reason why the thing looks like the pictures and the magazine.
Him have the whole vision for the thing, you know? Yeah. When it comes to how the magazine look, it's like him have that.
Yeah, him get the pictures and put everything together. Yeah, him the visionary.
Yeah.
So what happened is that we didn't have a name for it yet.
Yeah.
But I was still going to, I did say I go start back school and whatever. So I went to school and my sister and my cousin Sanjay and Noel did at the yard and then
make sure you call his sister name Kamar.
Yeah, Kamara.
Yeah.
I think she might want her name out there, but Kamara.
Yeah, big up Kamar. Yeah.
So they had the write up on the back of one of my notes and say, you know, this is the idea for the name. You had Fresh from Yard, Yardine Farmer. We said no, can't have a Yardine Farmer. Dirty now, couldn't use that neither. And then I see something called Backayard and I say, yeah, I like the name there. Yeah. So I put for one. Right, so, and the name kind of stick. The name did just stick with me and it's like, yo, this encapsulates everything I wanted it to be. Yeah. A magazine, an entity that will showcase everything about Jamaican culture.
Backayard.
Yeah.
Because people, let me explain what Backayard is. It's like, I'm going to say, where you from? I'm from Trini. You know, when you say Jamaica, where you come from? Jamaica, Backayard. So Backayard means your place of origin. Right.
Yeah. Well, that was the idea after we picked the thing, and it just stick, and it became a good name to use over all these years.
Right. So when was the first issue?
All right, we started thinking about the business in 2004, and we had the first issue printed 2005 May. Yeah. 2005 May. It was a long, hard road.
It was Turbulence and Assassin.
Turbulence and Assassin.
Yeah. When it started out, you know, the magazine looked like one of them Jehovah's Witness book there.
Yeah, man, it was a bigger Jehovah's Witness book.
Yeah, Jehovah's Witness book.
Yeah, man.
Thin.
Very thin.
Very thin.
But the fact is that if you say go do something, can't wait till the perfect time, you just do it. You see me? So we get it done. But if we start somewhere, so we start somewhere. But the most important question I have for you now is that, do you remember when I first came to the idea? Because I don't remember.
You have to go back into the thing, you know. Trust me, you know.
I remember, because I know Philip from we play ball.
Ball. We used to play football. Yeah, football. Yeah, we used to, I bet you name Jeremy and Jackson, if I give him credit. We used to play football. But me used to be the man where supply music. Through Richard Gale, you see my walk on Avenue Bicycle, and I give him a cassette, and I say, yo, this is one test, you know. Yeah. So, it make him friend me the cassette, and I say, yeah, man, I youth from Bicycle, and then we start play football together until we used to play music for them.
Yeah. Every party, everything
used to be me. And then I remember now, Amel used to say to me, say, boy, I have a magazine that come out. And I used to tell him, say, yeah, man, believe, you know.
But he probably never believe, but...
No, I didn't believe. Every time Amel said, all right, here what now? I was so happy to be a part of them Uptown Youth. If they say, Phil, we're going to paint the town red. I say, yeah, man, believe, you know.
When he say Uptown, he remember say we live a little bit yards from each other.
Yeah.
So he can't say Uptown.
Yeah.
He can't say Uptown.
No, up the road.
Up the road, he have to say. He can't say Uptown.
Yeah. A
Barbican said way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, believe on Avenue, him live on the lane.
Yeah. So it was just like, if you know, say me a pirate, because them say no, them say show me your company material, because when me say me a pirate, some youth from UE, you take and them about, me say no, and them youth me have a pirate, them are going to push me to be great, that's why I'm there, son. You understand?
The man them dog same way now.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
it just have more, a little bit more resources.
Yeah, so if you know, say me a pirate, them man, and them basically more brighter than me, not saying me is a dunce, you know. But the man them have some great ideas and them have a links, so me have to be a part of it. I say no, me a part of every party.
No, you see, I have to correct you with that thing, because when you come out to music, you know, nobody know more than Unifier.
Yeah.
As in, like, I can ask you a question, say, where the rhythm I come from? I call and I say, Phil, where the tune I come from? Yeah, man, 1990. Even if it's a lie, I still believe him. That's how. Can you work? How much record shop you work at?
Derek Harriet, Discaland, Aquarius, and then we got Joe Gibbs, and then we work for Anthony Red Rose, and then we have my own distribution, we call Music Field Distribution. So we have all of the connecting.
Yeah, man, and that's how the link set up, and from that time, from 2005, 2006, 2007, the link has been made. I asked him, I don't remember which year, but I asked him 1 year to say, yo, put a chart in the magazine there. Because I think was it after we started the show?
Yeah.
Yeah, we started a show on, we still have a show on Roots FM. And the show came from the chart.
Yeah, the show came, the Roots, but the Music Field Reggae show started from Backayard magazine. Because what happened, I wanted to be on radio so much, you know.
So badly. So badly.
So badly. Till me have an online thing, but if it wasn't for this man here, so I wouldn't the radio, because it was Uncle Sam, his name Sam Dyfus.
Yeah, Sam Dyfus.
Go Roots FM, man, him say, look on the magazine, you see this chart? This guy need to be on radio. You understand me?
Yeah, and actually the lady who was the manager at the time, she said, I like the vibe of the Music Field Reggae chart here. Just a self-promotion or shameless promotion. Shameless promotion.
Yeah. I am the one.
Yeah, and she said, I like the idea of having let's work together, but we want Music Field's chart every week on the radio. And I think that can be a good thing. And what, remember her name? Donna.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the voice of Digicel.
Yeah, you know, so she basically transitioned recently.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sad fear.
Yeah.
Sad fear, but she really helped to break Music Field into your on internet and stream.
Although still when my credit run out, I used to cuss, but when I meet her, I stop cuss, you know.
Yeah,
and the thing is, you have no credit remaining.
That's our golden voice.
That's our golden voice. Anybody ever did yourself phone? Yeah, man.
So,
you know, ring yourself on your ear.
So that is how the his chart made him into a bigger star than he thought he was. Because him think he can never meet. When you meet Philip Laban, you know, say he might tell you I'm a big star. Him just have to show you, say, and then this helped to actually make him bigger star.
Well, I'm going to say this now. Does the Music Field for the Yardstyle live, you know?
Oh, sorry, Music Field.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Music Field. Yeah. Can't call a government name because I don't know.
Yeah.
Too much controversy by it.
Thank you. Yeah. All right. So Amil.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, to date, how much issues are the magazine have now? I mean, I try
29, going on to 29 now.
Yeah. So you have people like Sean Paul. You have see there.
Popcorn.
Beres Aman. Gangzilla. Savannah. Jesse Royal. And we have people like Chronic Spanish. We all have Ellie.
Yeah, man.
Busy Signal.
We have some good, really good covers.
Buju Banton before him transition.
Him not dead?
No, man, I mean, he go up in the Japan tour.
Yeah, you say transition, like him, no, man. You mean before he went away?
Went away.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. So yeah, it's what should I ask? Memorable? Most memorable?
Yeah, what's the most memorable magazine that we did work on? Cause me I ask you now, you there, and me ask you the most memorable magazine that one you say, that one here. Yeah.
Baby Sham.
The
Baby Sham.
Yeah, me actually, I'm gonna say that album. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
The reason why the Baby Sham, because that was the first time we actually took our thing international. Yeah. As in like really international. Have like a spine on it.
Yeah,
on the magazine.
Big up Damien Beckett, yeah. Baby Sham, yeah.
And that was when it started to distribute in New York heavy. And we had a really, really good time with that one. And we actually had a launch party for that.
Yes.
That's remember that one day.
Over
used to be what? Weekends.
Yeah.
No as well. Is a car
place.
Yeah, car place,
yeah.
but yeah.
And I think that magazine make we start showcase dancers in the magazine. The first dancer we showcased was Sample 6.
Sample 6, yeah. And you know,
the rest is history with that man.
Yeah, man, him getting visa and everything, bless.
Yeah. And they would do Dr. Bird and they would do Bitter. And,
which magazine was more memorable to you?
All right. The one that did memorable to me was, let's see which one I know. Not the Baby Sham. All right. You see the one with the all females tonight? That one they made it like. Then they'd have the Tessa and they have the girl name again. You'd have Tessa and Chin.
No, man, you have Tammy Chin, Jovi Rockwell, Alain,
and
Chris Kelly.
So
issue number 4.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I saw it, man. I didn't know family, test until they have my brain.
Yeah, man, no worry about
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that I remember that one there. That was a good cover.
And people, when you're watching the Yardstyle, when you see the commercial with the bridge and I walk and I put out the magazine them on the table, this is the face, Amilcar Lewis.
They never see my face, but yeah, that's
Yeah,
I'm the body.
Yeah, the body, So you can put a face to the body,
Yeah, you can put a face to the body.
So, Backayard magazine has been around for how much years now, they say?
Like I say, it was, we officially started printing in 2005. So it's I don't know, okay, no, quick math, so that 18 years.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
but
get supposed to get a license now.
yeah, man,
Yeah,
can get more license, can drink liquor now.
Yeah, man.
Or 21 that.
Yeah. 18 now. Yeah. What the most popular cover for Backayard? When people see it and say, yo, Mr. Backayard magazine.
International, locally,
Yeah.
I can't have front have to be the Tanto.
The Tanto Blacks. Yeah, the Tanto Blacks. All right, we can't tell somebody. We said one day I was in a taxi, then Tanto Blacks just get him little thing, and a girl said, that look better than the Tanto Blacks. I have saw him there on TV, and I just go say, he's now on a magazine. And everybody in the taxi shut up. Everybody in the taxi shut up. You see me? So that was like, yeah man, that one day.
And
what the hardest one for me? The magazine where give you the most trouble, like come here for balance it. Like, the one where they nearly happened, like the one that said, boy, this hard. This.
No, it's a tie between Beres and Junior Gang, because my mother, bless her heart, she's the one who believes so we can get Beres, believe we can get Junior
Miss
Gang.
R.G. Lewis, we call her Mama Backayard.
Yeah. She get added to the magazine and them thing there, and it took her what 7 years to Junior Gang.
Yeah.
And 8 years to Beres. Just to get the links and do everything like that, forget and thing like that. We say, okay, we'll get Beres. No man, they get push off and then we actually have to meet Beres and Beres say, yeah man, I'll do it, and then it take a time until let's say his son was like 11 and then grow up to like be 18, 19, 20, and he can say, yeah man, he can come at the house, come deal with it, and that's okay for the Beres. And then now for gang now, I've wait until my mother did say, mother was working at the airport, I believe, at the time. And she saw, and Kabaka, when he released his first album, and him come out here with some CD for give out. And it's like, she said, the management, the same management, and they say, I'm son of a magazine, and I try to get Junior Gang, and he say, yeah man, give me a call. And that was around the World Cup last, the World Cup before, I think it was, I said either 2018, probably 2018, more than likely. And she said, okay, yeah man, and we get to call him there in Miami. The guy get to show Gang the magazine, and him say, yeah man, yes man, come do it. And I have to drive down the thing when he come for perform at some fest. And it was his birthday, and Sydney said no. So I have to drive back up and say, we just do the interview and we can't in the picture. Drive back up and wait until like just before day before him leave, say, yeah man, make we. So big up Junior Gang, make we do something with them Backayard youth, because a long time I'll try to link with. And the man them call we, with their Spanish court meet up, we do that, we get all kind of links and we say, okay, make we get the thing done, and that's what it was done. It's not an easy thing to get them artists to tell you the truth.
Because watch people, say, from 2010 we try to get Bounty Killer in the magazine.
Yeah man, but Bounty I'm ready now.
I'm ready now?
I'm ready now,
Right,
I'm ready now. Cause Beanie call him and say, no, man, I do nothing, because I'm vexed at
because Beanie up on the cover.
Beanie on
it
the
was
cover.
supposed to be Beanie and a Bounty.
It was a Beanie and Bounty covers in like together, as in like them perform together and start performing together, and then Bounty said, no man, I'm not do it again, and Beanie said, that's ain't going man, maybe just do it.
Yeah.
And him see when Beanie see Beanie on the cover and he say, oh no, for do it without me, say Bounty, but are you
Rodney?
Rodney, you said no, you don't want to do it, but
I'm ready for it now. I'm ready for Backayard now.
Ready for
All right, cool.
Ready for now. Are you looking at? Are you your favorite artist?
Yeah, I know I'm a favorite artist.
So call him, man. Where do you?
But him soon up on Yardstyle live,
Okay.
I say once him go Backayard, him have to go Yard. Because he say back,
Yard.
Yard.
Yeah, man.
So I see, can you see, watch it, Backayard, back, Yard.
Yeah, man. Yardstyle live.
Right. You understand me? So, as I said, we wait for Bounty Killer for forward from Backayard magazine. But here we have now, people, as I say, this is Mr. Amilcar Lewis. Him dep on the show today to explain about the magazine. This magazine, which I am proud to be a part of, it's called Backayard. And I tell you before, in the magazine, it's a complete thing. Music, anything to do with music.
Music, culture, whatever.
Yeah. We have a part of it named Ganja.
Yeah.
Good and natural Jamaican agriculture.
Right,
and
right.
also have a chart tonight too, music field chart
His
and
chart.
other reviews.
Yeah.
So people, as I said.
Look out feet.
Yeah man. So we have,
And pick it up.
yeah man. And it's, and before we go, Backayard magazine is available at all.
Oh.
What the place name again? All any place at the magazine, sorry. Gas station, at the embassy.
Ask the
Pharmacy,
church.
yeah,
Ask
man.
the church fee too, because anywhere I'm book them, I go
Yeah,
have
and
it.
it's up at Dub Club too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, all right, let me shake your hand again.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again, sir.
Yes, Amilcar Lewis, the man who made music field name internationally famed. That I can say, my name is a brand, my brand is a name because it's in Backayard magazine. And the moniker for Backayard is Know Your Roots.
This segment is brought to you by
Know your roots. The legendary Backayard magazine.
Lysiana, where you say?
Up in the truck.
Lysiana, where you gone?
Up in the truck.
Right the same day. Yeah, I'm going in at the One Hit Wonder truck. Yeah. This week's One Hit Wonder is?
Tess and Chin.
Yeah, and you know, Tess and Chin had this song called Secret
Either
Either
Way.
Way.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you about that song I come and mash up the place. Believe me, when we hear that song
Real,
there,
man.
the production for the song, I think like on the lines of like Maxi Priest, Wild World and just a little bit longer. I think but it remember me all of Dennis Bond name, Neon Lights.
Neon Lights, yeah.
Yeah, because when you hear the song, the production, her voice and the way she just, I mean, not like the video did bad too.
Yeah,
Trust
video
me.
bad, yeah.
The video. Then the Tessan did, you know, Tess and Chin. She was like Tessan, bread and butter, something that she come with. Team bread and butter.
Team Bread and Butter.
Yeah, then the Tess and Chin was, the voice, and she was a favorite.
Yeah.
And that was her song. And she did have the whole of Jamaica in her hand with that song. Everybody, that song they play everywhere. Rich,
everybody
poor.
love that song there.
That song they never have no boundaries with people. They never have no uptown, they never have no downtown or no ghetto. Everybody, me go dance and see that song there shell the place. And I say, what?
Yeah, man.
A long time I look around from uptown now have a song like that, Secret Either Way. Me used to listen to this song and I tell you, say, back in the radio. Even me did the parody, me said, me used to remember when in the morning time when Alan Magnus and Dorian Samuels used to play it and I hit them use and basically like start them show and end the
Every
show.
morning.
Like you see it most times per day. Every radio station in Jamaica play that
Play
song.
that.
If
Every
you
day.
weren't playing that Tess and Chin, you're not nobody. Me can't tell about it. The song, and what admired to the song, I think about that time she did probably enter in The Voice.
The
Or It was
Voice.
a little bit after.
Little bit after.
Yes. So that was like a teaser to the Voice. You see me?
Yeah.
I listened to the song and me can tell you say it was well put together. The musicians them for that song there, kudos.
Yeah.
Everything on it shot. Voice, delivery, the music, the mix.
Everything.
Tess and Chin basically just get that song done thus. Yeah. You see me? She did have Jamaica with that song, The Secret Either Way. And the part of the song I tell you I like when she sing and you have the breakdown. The guitar,
sound.
the rock guitar thing.
Yeah.
That is where, and when the rock guitar they play, you have a part of the guitar, a one drop mix.
Yeah, when she a DJ like one drop style.
And then she go back in it. Yeah man, and trust me, that was a song of our songs. I wish year it come out again, Spooky. Me I try to remember the year.
That year,
I think it was 2010 or 11. I'm not sure, But around them time, that's still.
summer of them time.
Some of them time, man. You see me, 'cause the voice was like, yeah. Yeah, man. So, as I said, that was one of the songs at that time was like the standout song for Tess and Chin. And believe you me, that song basically, when people say Tess and, them just see her with that song. As a matter of fact, back in the days when they had this thing called the school tour.
School tour.
That is how we did meet her at the time, She never
Yeah.
did that. That was she never had no song. You see me, but that was her song the time that basically when she took up on the school tour, them everybody said, oh, Tess and Chin, Secret.
Yeah.
The song.
That song they really bust her.
Yeah. That song come like a cult song. So when people say Tess and, alright, to this day somebody say Tess and Chin, me I think about Secret Either Way. You see me?
Yeah.
She did some other songs,
Yeah, she do
Some
some
other
songs.
songs. She did it on the rhythm where Chimney Records put out.
Chimney Record.
Yeah. You see me? What, Chill Spot?
She do.
Don't do it. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
For the Chill Spot song. Yeah, man. And a couple of other songs.
Couple of songs before that.
Yeah. You see, but you see the Secret Either Way, it does go so and light up everybody. You see me? So as I said, the song was one of the dominating songs at dancehall at that time. So Tess and Chin was like the face of like, you know, this uptown girl who have this little song where cross the borders of Jamaica. You know, Jamaica have the little border, uptown, downtown, round, so Kingston 10, 6, 8. So when she have that song, it does. Everybody
Take
was
off.
like, yeah, they take off and everybody was just one. So after Secret Either Way now, and then, you know, she did win the Voice and everything for her to go up. I mean, she did do some other songs, you know, but them just never connect.
Never connect.
Like what them supposed to connect. And me can say this still, you know, people probably go vex. After the Voice, people try to reach the son and nobody never dare get her, you know. You see me? Nobody. I mean, me no know her and people link me for her because I was playing the song. It was one of the songs that I fell in love with. You see me? And I said, me no know Tessa and me know her song, Secret Either Way, and she do a couple other songs. Me no know her.
Yeah.
So after all of that now, basically, the Secret Either Way never did do Secret again. She not either way. She basically take herself from the business. Me no know. She did like married and then divorced and then I think she did stop. She do a look at hiatus. Cause me must say, you know, Tess and Chin, uptown girl in come for that lineage of family there. You know it go already.
Yeah.
Them say 20 odd families run Jamaica, you know, fear family them, you know. So Secret Either Way, as I said, never became secret again. She does. You understand me? So after a while, when the dust settled and I mean she come back again and try to do something. Well, as a matter of fact, she did put her on a whole heap of weight, which you know it go already. Still, you know. But she come out with some other song, but them just never connect.
No connect at
Them
all.
never connect at all. Them just, you know, trust me. So you see, Secret Either Way was just one of them songs there again, as me say. Boy, I don't know. It reached a part there when, unfortunately, you know, them reach a one part of the show.
Yeah.
Where we have to just make them go up in the one it. Listen, where them a go? All right. You see, she gone up in the one it one.
One that truck.
Yeah, another one it one that truck. You understand me? Secret Either Way, Tessa and Chin. You see me to this date, Google Tessa and Chin, you're going to say Secret Either Way come up. That's our biggest song. I don't talk. You understand me?
Big tune, man.
So she gone up in the one it one that truck still. You know, as a lady, I'm going to take time help her up in the truck. You see me? You know, we don't do the ladies. You know. She got up in the truck.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Yo, this is Music Phil and this is Yardstyle Live. I don't know for extended episodes of Yardstyle Live, please go to our YouTube channel, Yardstyle Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Yes, so we keep it clean. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Yardstyle Live. Bless.
When nothing a go on and the place locked down, no party nah keep, still election a run. Yardstyle have the place locked down. In the garage so big it's a run come. Make them know I'm farming over gun. Yardstyle say I'm more fire burn, you know. Adios, all weird. Dick must be broken at the ears. Them a youth and a focus, them a gaze nowadays true. Adios, all weird. Dick must be broken at the ears. Them a youth and a focus, them a gaze. Hey, Yardstyle, tell them, mama did a warn you. You kiss your teeth and you are argue.